Hi, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, and we are going to go over today's slides. In social studies, you are going to be reading Who was Sacagawea, chapter 6. The last few chapters of our book are rather short, so this is really like a 4-minute video. And you should continue to work on your tribe project that is due on Friday. And by due on Friday, I mean you'll be recording yourself presenting it Friday. Reading, you're going to be adding to the 3 new subtopics on Padlet. And there's going to be video resource links for your tribe today, as well as Epic and the other links that you've already been using. In writing, you're going to write long about an assigned chapter. So you're going to be starting to write your informational book this week, and you're each getting a chapter in your group. For math, we are continuing with 7.11, solving number stories with fractions. Today is Pirate Tuesday. Ahoy, matey! Dress like a pirate today. Please don't forget, send me those photos. I love seeing them. I love seeing that you guys are doing something enjoyable for the day, fun, silly, and I can post them to share. Here is Sacagawea chapter 6. Here is your tribe project slide. It's loading. Again, you want to make sure that you make the background setting, and then you want to decorate the inside using one of the subtopics that you've been researching, or food, clothes, jewelry, hunting, habitat or shelter, whatever it is that you want to do. Get creative. You can use paper, you can use things from outside, tissue paper, popsicle sticks, straws, whatever you want. Reading for today, you are going to watch the teacher video, and then you're going to research your tribe more using the links. Click here for the links if you need them, and then the links are also on the next slide. So again, these links are going to be the links that were there last week, but also links to videos. Your new subtopics are politics, food, and immigration, and you're going to add your notes to Padlet. Please make 1 comment for each subtopic. Last week, you guys seemed to think that was optional, but you are required to make 1 comment for each subtopic. So if there are 3 subtopics, then you need 3 comments. And then here's the links to your Padlets. Here's your tribes. Writing for today, you're going to check out the next slide to see what chapter you were assigned. I've already given you each a chapter specifically to focus on, and from here on out, that will be the information when you're researching you're going to want to really focus on. You're going to write long about your assigned chapter. So again, you can continue to use the template that's on Google Classroom or lined paper. Your write long should be for another 5 minutes. This should really give you about half a page of writing. Just for those of you who are only getting like 2 or 3 sentences, that's really not enough. Set the timers, be honest with yourselves, and try to fill up as much of the page as you can. Here are your chapter assignments. Again, it tells you your name and everybody in your group what they're responsible for. Please don't forget, you must write about your topic. Together, your whole tribe will be putting together a book. So by having 5 people in your group and each of you responsible for a different subtopic, that gives your informational chapter book on the Chinook tribe 5 chapters. So you guys are really working together to do this. Feel free to use Padlet or the chat on the side, and you guys can talk to each other and get information if you're stuck at all. Math for today, you're going to need to print the worksheet today. It's not a math journal page, but a worksheet. It is 2 pages. It's also on Google Classroom. If you feel like you want to type on there today, you can do that. Here's the teacher video, and you're going to complete lesson 711, day 2's exit slip. As always, there are the early fast finisher tasks if you'd like. Again, I'm here if you have any questions. Good luck.